Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to compare fractions by cross multiplying. So 3/8 compared to 4/7. Because the denominators are not common, you cannot just look to see which one has the larger numerator. So what we do is we cross multiply. So 7 times 3 equals 21. And then we're going to cross multiply this way, so 8 times 4 is 32. And so 32 is greater, so 4/7 is actually greater than 3/8. Now the reason this works is because what we're doing is we're finding a common denominator. So 8 times 7 is 56. So 21 56s compared to 32 56s. Okay, thank you.